It's easy to be captivated by Japan's serene beauty, but nature has a hidden side, a realm of the unknown that dances between the shadows. As I treaded further into the forest, the line between beauty and fear blurred.
What is this? What is this? This isn't a hike. This is death. Crazy.
The songs of cicadas and sounds of waterfalls distracted me with its peaceful ambiance. As I go further and further, I started to unfold the duality of nature, where beauty coexists with an unspoken fear.
Currently dying. I feel like I broke my thumb. Easily craziest thing I've done in my life, I think. And I'm honestly scared. Off me. Dude.
Pull him.
Okay. Hey, buddy. Goodbye. Yeah.
So this adventure starts with us unloading our bikes to get to the actual trail, and we had to pass this gate warning us about rocks falling from the big hills and that it's not really that safe and there's some potentially dangerous wildlife.
Some type of waterfall area. We are doing insane things today. Are we breaking the rules, Valen? Uh-oh. See kind of a cool waterfall down there. Okay. See how tough this stream is. Mama! Why are you laughing at me?
Okay, go. Nice. Okay, go ahead.
Catch and release. Goodbye, little buddy.
Everything started out peaceful. I thought I was in for a pretty normal hike, so as you can see, I'm in some sandals and we're all having a good time. I soon very much regret this, especially the wearing no shoes part. But anyway, the goal for this trip was to see the Hayato Great Falls, and it's part of Japan's top 100 waterfalls. But I had no idea there was a storm soon approaching me as I went deeper into this adventure.
Full power ahead. Need more power. Look at this. How am I supposed to bike on these? Look at this big boulder that fell on the road. These fell off all the way up there somewhere. Oh my goodness. Ah! Checkpoint 1. No more biking. Someone else has been here too. Oh boy. Waterfall. Ew. Oh my. Man, look at this abandoned road we're taking. Look at Balin all the way down there. What is this? This isn't a road. They're clearing up the path.
I'm done. Timber!
Whoa, avalanche! Woo! Gosh. Jeez. Oh my gosh, it's so much. I know, I want to put this down. I wasn't recording! I wasn't recording that! We just pushed this tree and it started rolling towards us. I wasn't recording. Take it. That was scary. Valen's gonna toss the log into the waterfall. Oh, let me see it. Oh, there she is. Goodbye, log.
Might want to go barefoot. Come on, you big baby. What do you think?
Oh man.
Say hi.
Look at this abandoned thing we found. This is an abandoned house up in the. Oh, someone broke the glass. Yep.
Oh.
Definitely broke the glass. That's kind of cool, huh? Abandoned house. Careful going in. Could collapse on you, honestly. It's kind of cool, though.
Yeah, but at least it just hooked on me.
Oh, really?
I'm not bleeding.
Where's the leech?
Right there.
I got one. You got one?
Yeah. How do I do it?
I don't know. How do you do it, Valen?
Just pull it off.
You just pull it off?
Disgusting, though.
Gonna bleed. Where's the leech, Valen?
Get off me.
pull him.
Right there.
Dude.
Pull him.
Get off.
Pull him. You gotta pull him.
I am pulling.
He's on you,
He's
man.
slippery. Get off me.
No blood?
I hope not.
He wasn't
I feel.
Yep, that was me experiencing my first leech. I think I had 13 of those suckers on that day, and ugh. But anyway, I was starting to realize that this was not such a normal hike, and I also want to let you know, none of us knew what we were in for. There was so little information on this waterfall hike that we just went for it. If I knew what I knew now, I would have prepared so differently.
I think you should have the rope. I think you should have it. Just slow, slow. I don't like those beams to the side. Stay on the middle too. The front two.
Whoa.
And look at that, I lived to tell the tale. Thankfully that whole bridge did not collapse on me, but I did kind of hurt my thumb, and I actually still feel it to this day, but thankfully it doesn't really affect me day to day life, so it's really no biggie. But yeah, that shook me up a bit, and I was like, man, I ain't breaking nothing anymore, so I tried putting most of my weight on the rope and went down.
How'd that feel?
Currently dying. Almost feel like I broke my thumb. I didn't break it, but it definitely hurts. Fell off a bridge. Probably saw that. Easily craziest thing I've done in my life, I think. And I'm honestly scared. These kids, they don't care. But honestly, it's pretty scary for them too.
Where?
Oh, the back.
Honestly, those roots are kind of moved.
So apparently these mountain leeches are able to sense the vibrations from us, and you can see this guy's just trying to make his way towards us. Even if we had leeches on us, they come off pretty quickly as well once they're done feeding. But anyway, at this point, we were pretty deep into this hike, and we've experienced leeches, some sketchy bridges, and now we were experiencing swarms of gnats, which are like huge mosquitoes that just like make you bleed immediately. I almost felt like I was breathing them in at some points, which I did not like at all. And since it was starting to get late and the destination was probably still halfway, we decided to take a group vote, and we ultimately decided to head back, knowing doing all this in the dark probably won't be a fun time. But my brother, maybe a week later, went on his own. He actually made it, so here's a little peek at that.
Came back to our bikes and look what we found. Someone left us some mixed fruit. Thank you, someone, who, if you're watching this video.
Japanese people, very nice. All right, made it back down. About to go back down. Honestly, probably the most terrifying thing I've ever done. Borderline panicking. Oh, I cannot wait to get in the bath. Is it good, Valen? I have no idea, so. It's good? Good, good. What is it? 7-Eleven? Oh, no, I don't know. Dole fruit. I think that's expensive. Wow. Very nice of him. We saw a guy full geared that was passed by us during that trip. That was absolutely nuts. Actually nuts. All right, back home, please. There were so many leeches, by the way. Holy moly. There was way too many. There's another leech! What? Get the frick off! Dude, these leeches are absolutely everywhere.
You are a leech magnet. You are seriously a leech magnet.
This is crazy.
You summon leeches to you.
Never experienced a leech. I feel them, and they suck. They suck a lot. There was also like gnats or something that made you bleed. They bit us all over. We got a crack alert. We got blood alert. Oh, it's a rough trip, huh? We just had a little fall here. Guess what else we see, though? Oh my gosh. That's a big... Is it dead? The snake's alive?
Yeah, it's eating like a big
really?
frog, I think.
Oh my gosh. Maybe it is alive. Oh yeah, he's moving. Sorry, okay. Hey, buddy. Goodbye. Yeah, not messing with you. If anyone knows what this is, let me know. Okay, goodbye. I'm out of here. Phelan, there's a Family Mart 7 minutes ahead. Can we do it? We made it.
Family chicken.
How much family chicken are we gonna eat, guys?
2001.
All of it. Let's go. We're enjoying the good life now. Oh man. Drink straight out of that as soon as we bought it. Didn't care who saw me. So thirsty. Who else is thirsty? Okay, we just about made it home. We heard some noise. There's a festival going on. We're gonna check it out. Sweaty as heck though. Still bleeding too. All sorts of game, kids. Lights. It's pretty busy. Ooh, we got something steaming over there. Careful. My dream come true. Yakisoba. それいいな。これ大丈夫です。はい、ありがとうございます。Okay. Get it, Balin. Get it. Oh. Come on, Balin. Okay. Winner, chicken dinner. Oh, you can keep going. Do as many times as you can. This is terrible lighting. Well, this is awesome. That's some good stuff.
Should I just eat that whole thing?
You have to eat this whole bowl. It's the size of Valen. You get 5,000 yen. It can be free if you eat the whole thing. No way.
Did we just sit?
So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And after that, I vowed to never go on another hike like that ever again.
Start of another torturous hike.
Hold Joshua's weight.
I ain't going out there. Have fun. This is the most uninviting bridge I've ever seen. Go fishing down there too. Little river. Look at the stairs of death. That's pretty cool. Most dangerous thing you've done in your life?
Yes.
I can't believe it's not the other thing. Look what's coming up. We have to go all the way up there. Look at this rope. Oh man. Dung beetle found. They're pretty, but it's stinky. Also, I got bit by a leech. Dang leeches up here. Someone say stairs? In Japan? He's running up that. That fool's about to be so tired. What did I say? Look at him. Look what we're going through. It's raining like crazy. Yeah, we're on like top of the mountain right now. Oh boy, look how wet I am. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's really raining. All right, let's go. Doesn't look that bad on camera, right? Look at that. That's how much it's raining right now. Holy moly. They're begging to turn around when the peak is just up there. I bet it is up there. You're taking cover from the rain. Can you hear that rain out there? Oh boy. Oh boy. They're all very wet. We have to go down soon too. I think it's my first hike doing it like this. Full rain.
Yeah, I haven't done many like this.
Suncook keeps taking me on these extreme ones, huh?
When the rain stopped and we were going down, you have no idea. The floor was literally leeches. They were literally everywhere.
Definitely see the rain from there. Pretty cool hike, honestly. Just raining the whole time.
Yo, boy. Okay, so I just spent the last 30 minutes running up this mountain because Joshua lost this phone, this very phone I'm holding. And battling the leeches, there's a big one on my feet. Oh man, this guy's got to keep his phone in his pocket. I have to send the kids off to get shelter because it's raining like a madman. Anyway, he's going to be very happy. Oh, well, I should scare him a little bit. What should I do? I don't know. Maybe I tell him it was broken or too far to get, so I just left it. Da-da-da! How do you feel, man?
I'm so relieved. I am so relieved. I thought I was doomed for sure. Where was she?
She was right in the middle of the trail.
Good. Oh, thank God. Oh. The Hayato Great Falls is located deep within Tanazawa Mountains and is only accessible by a 2-hour hike on poorly marked and maintained mountain trails from the nearest road. Yeah, this needs some changes. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't include this. You guys think a YouTube video counts as a reference? Probably not.